Hello viewers and subscribers. Today I'm going to show you how you can easily reply to any message in the WhatsApp app. It's very simple. WhatsApp has released a new update which contains this package. So yours is to update your WhatsApp. Go to Play Store and update your WhatsApp to the latest version. When the update is completed, open your app. Select any message you want to reply to. For instance, I want to reply to this message from Sweet Music. The trick is that tap and slide the message to the right. Then the message will be automatically selected. Then reply to the message. Just type your message and then send. As simple as this. Let's say I want to reply to another message here. Mine is to tap and slide the message to the right. And then type your message. Cool play. I want to reply cool play with the right thumb symbol. Then send. Have you seen how simple it is? Let's say, for instance, you would like to reply to this message, but mistakenly you slided and selected this message. So yours is to tap the close button at the top right corner of the input box for this to be closed. Then slide to the right the message you would like to reply to. Quickly it is selected. Have you seen how simple it is? WhatsApp has provided this in order for us to enjoy chatting, group messages, replying to messages of the individual people. It's really nice. It's wonderful. So, friends, this is it. Use it and enjoy group chats and enjoy private messages. It's really wonderful. Slide to the right and then type your message. Type your reply here and send. Happy WhatsApping. Enjoy. Thanks for watching. Remember to like and subscribe. Share with friends and family and let them enjoy this trick as well. Goodbye.